So this is the lecture number 5 for the chapter 3-dimensional geometry for the class 12th. Today we're starting with the topic plane. Now first of all we'll find the equation of the plane in the normal form. Equation of plane in normal form. Normal means perpendicular. Now in this, let us take we have a plane in a three-dimensional plane, a rectangular system. Let us take we have this plane, and this is the origin, and let us there is a normal drawn from the origin to this plane, and let any point P in the planes whose coordinate be x, y and z, and the position vector of this point be r, and this is the normal. Now consider a plane whose perpendicular distance from the origin is d. ये हमने perpendicular distance let कर लिया. This is the perpendicular distance d from the origin. Now if ON is the normal to the plane and n cap is the unit vector normal vector along the plane along the line ON. This is the unit vector along the normal. Then this vector ON will be equal to dn cap, because where dn is the unit vector along this vector ON. Let P is the any points on the plane, therefore the vector NP is perpendicular to ON vector. So therefore we can say that because they are perpendicular, so NP dot ON will be equal to 0. That is, their dot product is equal to 0. Let R be the position vector of the point P. There is a point P whose position vector we have taken. This is R. We have taken this R vector. Then NP will be equal to position vector of P minus position vector of N. You know it, and it will be equal to R minus dn cap. Position vector of OP is R, and the position vector ON is dn cap, where N is the unit vector along the this. Put in the 1, then you will get R dot dn cap is equal to 0. When you find the dot product, you will get R dot n cap is equal to d. This is the equation of the plane in the normal form, and n is a unit vector along the normal. Because why this equal to? Because n dot n will be equal to 1. When n dot n is equal to 1, so this dot this will be equal to this. So this is the equation of the plane in the normal form, and this is the vector equation. Vector equation of a plane in the normal form. Now we'll find the equation of the plane in the normal form when we have in the Cartesian form. So let the coordinate of the point P we have already done, x, y and z, and then the position vector of P will be equal to, we know it, xi plus yj plus zk cap, and let Lmn be the direction cosine of the n cap, which is a unit vector along the normal. Then the n cap will be equal to Li plus mj plus nk cap. This is the n cap. Now putting this R dot n cap is equal to this. The value of R is xi plus yj plus zk dot with Li plus mj plus nk is equal to d. Find the dot product. X into this I will be equal to Lx plus my plus nz is equal to d. This is the equation of the plane in the normal form, Cartesian form, where L, M, N are the direction cosine of the normal to the plane. Direction cosine of the normal to the plane. So we have done the equation of the plane in the normal form, and the vector form is R dot n cap is equal to d, where n cap is a unit vector along the normal. Now after that you have to find the equation of the plane passing through a point. Equation of plane, you have to learn the heading. Equation of the plane passing through a point and perpendicular to given vector. This is the heading. Equation of plane perpendicular to a vector and passing through a point. You can say also this. Now let us take, we can have like this. There is a plane which is passing through a point and perpendicular to a vector. So we can draw it. Now let us take a plane. Let us take a plane passing through a point A. Passing through a point A. Let us take a plane passing through a point A. Let us take this is the plane, and where n vector is perpendicular to this plane. This is the perpendicular to this plane, and let us say it is passing through the point A, and the position vector of this point be from the let it is equal to A cap, and let us take any point P whose coordinates be x, y and z, and its position vector will be r, and if we join it, this is the vector AP. Now let a plane be passing through a point A with position vector A and the perpendicular to the vector n. It is perpendicular to the vector n. ये vector n है जो कि perpendicular है plane पे. Let r be the position vector of any point in the plane whose coordinates be x, y, z. Then the point P lies in this plane if and only if lies in this plane if and only if AP will be perpendicular to the vector n, perpendicular to the vector n, and AP is position vector of P minus position vector A, dot product with n will be equal to 0. So this is the equation of the plane passing through a point A and perpendicular to the vector. So this is the equation of the plane perpendicular to a vector and passing through a point whose position vector is A and the normal vector is n. This is the vector form of the equation of the line. Now to find the Cartesian equation of the line, because we know that the coordinate of the point P is x, y, z, then whose position vector is r, then r will be equal to xi plus yj plus zk. This is the vector r, and the vector A will be equal to this point whose whose coordinate we have taken x1, y1, z1. So it will be x1 I plus y1 j plus z1 k. x1, y1, z1 are the coordinate of the point A, and x, y, z are the coordinate of any point in the plane, and the vector n will be equal to ai plus bj plus ck, where ABCs are the directions ratios of this vector n. Putting these value here, you will get the equation of the plane passing through a point whose coordinates are x1, y1, z1, and direction ratios of the normal vector be capital A, capital B, capital C will be this: A x minus x1 plus B y minus y1 plus C z minus z1, where x1, y1, z1 are the coordinate of any point in the plane, and A, B, C's are the direction ratio of the vector which is perpendicular to this plane. So this is the equation of the plane Cartesian form when it is passing through a point and perpendicular to a vector. Now after that we have equation of a plane passing through three non-collinear points. So let there is a plane Let us say this is the plane, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. And let R, S and T, let us R, there's a point R, let us take a point S, let us take a point T. R, S and T be the three known collinear points in the planes whose position vectors are vector A, vector B and vector C. This is a position vector of these 3 points which is lying on this plane. So A is the position vector of vector point R, B is the position vector of point S and C is the position vector of this. Now the vector RS and the RT, this is the RT we have taken are in the given plane. ये दो vector RS and RT will be lie in this plane, and therefore the vector RS cross vector RT is perpendicular to the plane containing the points PQR RST. ये perpendicular होगा to the plane जिस पर ये lie कर रहे हैं, whose normal is any normal vector will be vector product of this. So therefore it will be perpendicular to the point P, any normal vector to it. This is any normal vector to it, and therefore their dot product with R minus A will be equal to 0. So when you replace this RS and RT and their vector product, you will get R minus A dot B minus A position vector of S minus position vector of R cross C minus A equal to 0. This is RT. RT vector will be position vector T minus position vector of R, which is equal to A. So this is the equation of the plane passing through 3 known collinear points. This can be like this also, R minus, if we change these points, R minus B dot, this will be C minus B cross A minus B equal to 0, or you can have like this also, R minus C dot, it will be C के बाद A minus C cross B minus C will be equal to 0. तो ये learn करिए. This is the vector form of the equation of the plane through the 3 known collinear points. Now this is the vector equation. To find the equation in the Cartesian form of the equation of the plane through the known collinear point, let the position x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2 and x3 y3 z3 be the coordinates of the point R, S and T. Then the vector RP will be equal to, and vector RS will be equal to, and the vector RT will be equal to x minus, because the position vector of P is coordinates of the point PB x, y, z. So x minus x1 I plus y minus y1 j plus z minus z1 k, and the RS will be x2 minus x1 I. This is y2 minus y1 j plus z2 minus z1 k. This is the vector RS, and the vector RT will be equal to, this is the vectors, x3 minus x1 I plus y3 minus y1 j plus z3 minus z1 k. Now putting these value in the equation we have done earlier, the vector equation, the form, will get the equation in the determinant form, that is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1 and z3 minus z1 will be equal to 0. This is the equation of the plane through the three known collinear points whose in the Cartesian form, where x1, y1, z1 are the coordinates of the point R, x2, y2, z2 are the coordinate of the point S, and x3, y3, z3 are the coordinates of the point T, and the coordinate of any point in the plane is x, y, z. तो ये Cartesian form है equation of the line passing through three known collinear points. So this is something we have done the theoretical part of the to find the equation of the line. This may be difficult to someone, but if you are unable to getting this proof, you can learn only these formulas according to the heading, that the equation of the plane passing through the three known collinear points, Cartesian form, equation of the plane passing three known collinear point, वेक्टर फॉर्म. इससे पहले हमने करा था इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन पासिंग थ्रू ए पॉइंट एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू ए वेक्टर, वेक्टर इन द कार्टेशियन फॉर्म. और सबसे पहले हमने करा था इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन इन द नॉर्मल फॉर्म, उसकी वेक्टर फॉर्म एंड कार्टेशियन फॉर्म. तो मेनली हमारे पास 6 फॉर्मुलेज हो गए. सबसे पहले हमने करा था इक्वेशन आर डॉट एन कैप इज इक्वल टू डी और एल एक्स प्लस एम वाई plus nz is equal to d. Equation of the plane the normal form, vector and Cartesian. इसके बाद हमने करा था equation of the plane passing through a point and perpendicular to a line. तो r minus a dot n is equal to 0. ये वेक्टर फॉर्म था. इसका कार्टेशियन फॉर्म ने करा था a x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 plus c z minus z1 is equal to 0. Equation of the plane passing through a point whose coordinate x1 y1 z1 and perpendicular to the vector whose direction ratios are a b and c. ये heading के according. And third we have just now equation of the plane through the known collinear points. Okay, we'll discuss the remaining formula in the next lecture. Thank you.